Hello radio and welcome to the broadcast day. This is Tango Charlie 02 Newfoundland, Canada, and we are ready for CB Radio VideoGate. And so we went to QSY to 27365. 27365 for VideoGate contact. Nine Tango Charlie 02 Western Newfoundland, Canada, ready for CB Radio VideoGate.
Hey, Western Newfoundland, Canada, 360 North Carolina.
360 North Carolina. 9 Tango Charlie 02 Newfoundland, Canada, returning.
Hey, Roger, man. First personal here is Mike Alpha Romeo Kilo. I've got you a 5-9 plus.
Thank you so much for the flowers, sir. You're sounding loud and proud into Newfoundland. This is Andy here, by the way. Alpha November Delta Yankee. Back to you, Mark.
Very much, Andy. You have a great day. That's cue ball. Keep going. It's good to get to so many people. So 73s, enjoy the DX and enjoy your week. 360.
Roger, Mark. Appreciate that, sir. We have another person on frequency here, so we want to just get back to you one last time. Doing a CB Radio VideoGate. If you did the QSY, we're doing a CB Radio VideoGate. So we want to pass along the coordinates to you as to where you can find that VideoGate. It's under the YouTube channel Andy Tobin. Say again, YouTube channel Andy Tobin. Back to you, Mark.
Joe, Andy Tobin. I got it. I'll look it up.
Roger, sir. So we'll conclude this VideoGate, my friend. Thank you for participating, and we'll hopefully chat to you in the near future. Thank you for taking the QSY once again, and Merry Christmas to you. This is 9 Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada. We're clear up to 360 in North Carolina. Thank you, Mark.
Much, Andy. You have a great day. Enjoy the holiday season coming up, 73s.